Welcome back to the channel. Once again on the road. I'm just having an incredible coffee. If you remember about my past travel, one of the best coffee was in a small bar in Saigon. And guess what? I'm back in Vietnam. Welcome to Hanoi.
And it's here in the chaotic capital of Vietnam that we're gonna start our adventure. We're gonna spend a couple of days here visiting, exploring, meeting new people, make new experiences, trying to do as much as we can in the short amount of time that we're gonna spend here.
And this is the beautiful room. Look at that. A beautiful view on the lake in this central area of Hanoi. And yeah, it was a nice surprise. And we have two big beds and the room is pretty big, some fancy LED light, and yeah, it's okay. So big windows on the two sides of the room, and this is the bathroom corner, which is not the best, I have to say, but it's normal in Vietnam if you going around in this kind of hotel that has 7.2 million of dong, which is approximately 30 euro per day, a little bit less, something like that.
And here we are at the Temple of Literature, which is a famous temple because it's dedicated to Confucius, and it's in the heart of Hanoi, and it's a beautiful place. Unfortunately a bit overcrowded today because of the celebration, but we really enjoyed the time there. We are visiting Hanoi during a weekend, and people are still celebrating the lunar calendar here, which is a popular celebration everywhere in Asia. So the atmosphere, it's festive, it's like holiday time. They are all hanging out with their families, some of them in typical dresses, and they used to, make pictures, make family pictures around the temples. It's a great moment to visit a city like Hanoi, and we are really enjoy the atmosphere that you can breathe in these days in this beautiful city.
walking in one of the most iconic places in Hanoi, and to be honest, I didn't expect all these people. It's a super touristic place. It's like a little Disneyland in the middle of Hanoi. But it's beautiful. There is a great energy, and it seems that all these people are gathering here every day just to wait a train. I cannot stress enough how important it is for the Vietnamese to eat in the small tables and in the small chairs. Like it's for them, it's just the typical things to do. I really love how simple it is for them to just enjoy the hangout in this little chair.
This is the lake Oan Kiem in a very central area of Hanoi. It's a very touristic district, and it's also famous to hang out. But we are here to visit another famous temple. This time it's the moment of the Ngoc Son Temple, which is in the middle of the lake that I mentioned before, and it's another famous temple here in Hanoi that we cannot miss to visit. And if you visit this temple, probably you will notice that the two stars of the show here are two old turtles, unfortunately not with us anymore. The last one of them that used to live in the lake here actually passed away in 2015, and it's a very special kind of turtle called sword turtle, and actually there are only 6 exemplars of this specific turtle still alive in the world. Definitely an endangered species, unfortunately, but they find a way to preserve these last two so people can still get the chance to see these two legendary animals in the small temple museum. I wish to have more time to visit this amazing city, but our last day here comes to an end. The night shifted, just the time for a quick Vietnamese dinner and a couple of beers before going to sleep to recharge the batteries and getting ready for the next step of the adventure tomorrow.
It's very early. We are leaving for a long bay. Let's go. Il bagno schiuma slimegoso. Come in.
first breakfast here at Bella Rosa Hotel in the heart of Hanoi, where the staff was very nice with us and we really had nice time here. And as we're getting ready for the next destination, it's time to say goodbye for this video. Thanks for watching, guys, and as always, I hope to see you in the next episode.